Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. To dehydrate my fruit ready for Christmas, I'm going to be using my rack. So I've got my standard double rack here, but I've actually got a spare one as well. So I think I'm going to be able to lay that in the bottom and then this over the top just to use the maximum space that I can inside my Ninja pot. Now I know on Amazon and other places they do sell a rack that fits inside that is very, very thin, so the gap in between the layers is very small, and that way you can layer up a lot more in your Ninja. So it depends how often you do these types of things. So if you're going to dehydrate fruit quite a lot, then it's worth purchasing one. So let's start by layering up, and it doesn't really matter how we do this, they just need to lay on the rack. So let's see how much we can fit in. Now, this is ideal because, you know, at Christmas time, there's going to be cocktails, there's going to be drinks flowing, and these are really nice to have, particularly in a G&T as well. Really, really nice. And it looks really pretty, doesn't it? It looks really effective to have these. So that's one layer. So first layer in the bottom there. And now we continue with the other part of our rack. The other thing that these are lovely for is for decorations. So if you want to make your homemade Christmas wreath, then again, these look absolutely beautiful. I'm just fitting in what I can. There's no real order to this. There you go. And now put the top part on. And I wasn't sure how much I was going to be able to fit in, so I'm going to now cut up this lime as well. I feel like the house is going to smell amazing because just cutting all of this citrus fruit up is just so nice. It's making my mouth water. I haven't bothered using the ends, but if you want to use the ends, then of course you can use the ends, not a problem. There you go. We are all ready to get that in the Ninja on Dehydrate. So now lower that rack over the top. And that's perfect, it all fits in. And let's close that lid.